Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will do workout specially for our breast fat. That means if you want to reduce your breast fat or chest fat, then this is the video you are looking for. That includes the best exercises and it is a total workout that you must follow to reduce your breast fat. So let's get started. But before that, you need a pair of dumbbell or a couple of water bottles to get your workout done. Okay? So I am here using 1 kg dumbbells. You must grab it because for reducing breast fat it is literally very much required to have a good pair of dumbbells or a water bottles. Okay, let's do not waste the time and starting with the warm up. For warm up I will do big arm circles forward 8 repetition. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and opposite direction now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Great job. Now cross punches to up like this. 1 10 of these. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Great job. Now open and close like this. 20 of these starting now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So let's activate the chest muscle. 5 4 open them. 3 2 1. Great job. Now single hand curl to the back like this 8 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this is a 10 days challenge that you must follow if you want to reduce your breast fat or chest fat. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Great job. You did great. Now grab your dumbbells. Hold them to the side like this. And you can see they are tilted a bit. Now raise it up and bring it back. Okay, like this. I'll show you the front move as well, like this. And bring it back. Let's do 20 of these. Closer. 1 2 slowly. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Good. 10 more to go. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Great job. You did great. Now for the next exercise, right foot would be forward and left foot will be behind, and holding your dumbbells like this facing forward and bring them up and bring them down. Okay, I'll show you the side move as well, like this. Now raise it up 20 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Great job. 10 more to go. 10 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job, you did great. Now for the next exercise, first I'll shake my hands a bit because it may get sore. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stretching here and there. Great job. Holding the dumbbells again. Now doing squat pull. For that, keep your hand here and raise it up like this. Okay. So first I'll do 10 on my right side. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Repeating the set one more time. Okay, right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Here you go. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job. Now for the next exercise, what you need to do, you have to hold these dumbbell like this and make a circle like this. Okay, make a circle and hold it like this. Okay, so let's do first 10 because it is not an easy move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job. Now again repeating the set. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last but not the least, 10. Great job. By doing this workout, you will be able to reduce 1 to 2 inches in just 1 week. But follow it thoroughly and please avoid any kind of fat in your diet. Any kind of excess of fried food or fatty food. Okay? And also, you can check out the diet plan I will mention in the comment section. Okay? For the next exercise, only one dumbbell is needed. What we have to do, hold it like this and bring it up and bring it down like this. Okay? So let's do it. 20 of these. 1, 2. This workout will also help you in lifting your breast. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Good. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. Good. And 20. Great job. Now I am keeping my dumbbells aside. Now we will do some push-ups. You can do wall push-ups or you can do elevated push-ups. If you have a chair like this, holding it and pushing down and pulling up, pushing down and pulling up. So let's do first 10 of these. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, you did great. So one more set is left. I will do 10 more push-ups. Hold it. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Great job. You did great. Now shake your arms again. Your arms must be sore. Hold it like this. Hold it like that. Curl to the back. Good. Curl to the front. Good, 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 good. Now grab your dumbbells again. Now hold your dumbbell like this and punch up alternatively like this, like we did in warm up, but it is the best exercise to reduce your breast fat or chest fat. So let's do first 10 of these, holding them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Great job. Now for the next movement, I'll hold my dumbbell like this and get it to the front and squeeze my back. Okay, let's do first 10 of these. This is not an easy move. Okay, holding my dumbbells like this, press up, bring it back, press up, bring it back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it's quite tough, 9 and 10. Great job. My hands are sore, my chest is sore. Okay, so let's do 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Now for the next exercise, I'll do something without my dumbbells. Okay, so for that I'll do just small circles with single hand. Okay, first 10 on my right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will help in lifting. Good. 8. Change of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Great job. Now holding my hands like this and bring it up and bring it down like this. Let's do 20 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll show the side move as well. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Great job, you did great. So this was all in this workout video. Follow this workout video daily for 10 days if you want to get best result, and if you really want to reduce your breast fat, then follow this video daily with me. And please avoid oily and fried food during this challenge. This is a 10 days challenge, okay? And also tag me on Instagram. My ID is Fitness by Dipali and my Facebook ID is Health and Fitness Tips by Dipali. Thank you so much for watching.